Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video on realizations. Every time someone in the comments or in my DM asks me, Didi, is coaching necessary for cracking CAT? I give them the same answer. And today I'm making this video so that I can directly send them this video whenever someone asks me this. Short answer, no. The internet is filled with enough high quality resources that can help you crack CAT. You just need to know where to find them. Every year I talk to so many students who crack CAT without any coaching. They just use the internet. They knew where to find the right resources, discipline, and a good mock test series. Now, I have already spent a good amount of time gathering all these resources in one place so that you don't have to do the hard work. And in this video, I'll be giving you everything. The resources to study concepts, lectures, resources where you can practice mocks, solve papers, reading material for VARC, resources for past year question papers, CAT communities, reading resources, everything all at one place. I've put all the relevant links in the Word document attached in the description of this video for all the 3 sections. So make sure to check it out and genuinely don't just open the document, use it. So let's get started. In section 1, I will cover the resources from where you can study the concepts, which are high quality YouTube playlists for all the 3 sections. And many of these playlists have the exact same quality that is being taught in the offline or online coaching institutes, if not better. The first quant playlist is the one by iQuanta. It has separate sections for the different topics, separate playlist for arithmetic, separate playlist for algebra, number system, geometry. These playlists are taught by the renowned faculty like Amit Panchmatia sir, Raj sir. These are some of the best playlists which covers the concepts in great detail. Plus they keep conducting a lot of live sessions in these channels. Next is this quant playlist by Rodha. It's again very high quality, and the best part is that it covers each and every quant topic in this 380 plus video playlist. Even if you don't do anything, just cover this quant playlist and you will be sorted. Next is the quant playlist by MBA Pathshala. Here again they have different videos for different sections. One whole playlist for arithmetic, one whole playlist for algebra. The next set of quant playlist is by MBA Wala, and here again divided into different sections, all of which link below. Another high quality quant playlist is by Arambh Academy CAT. Here, this single playlist covers the entire CAT quant syllabus. Another renowned quant playlist is by Takshila, and they are again divided into different sections, arithmetic, algebra, number system, geometry. And here again, I've heard very good things about this playlist. Wanted to give an honorable mention to the quant videos of 2IIM. Even though they don't teach the concepts, they solve and explain CAT past year papers while explaining the strategy of how you should be solving them. So this is again something that you can check out. Pair the 2IIM strategy and past year paper videos with any of the above playlists that I just mentioned and you're good to go for quants. Now a separate mention for those who feel that their quant is very weak, their basics are even not clear, then in that case, instead of directly jumping to quant playlists, you should cover the basics of mathematics. And for that, I recommend Khan Academy's mathematics videos of different topics like arithmetic and algebra. That also I'm linking below. This covers everything at the basic foundational level, so that you can do those first and then move on to the CAT syllabus. Now coming to the best LRDI playlists on YouTube. Now the first one in this list is this playlist by Elites Grid. It is very well known and it covers almost each and every type of LRDI question that you can expect in CAT. The next playlist is iQuanta's Master LRDI playlist. Again, it also covers all the concepts that you need to crack LRDI, with teachers explaining each and every set in great detail. Now the next LRDI playlist for which I've heard really good things is this 460 video plus playlist by Aptitude Jab. It has so many questions and every single question has been explained with solutions. Now the next playlist is this one by CrackU. This is a mix of concept explainers plus past year questions solved. Now one thing that I wanted to mention about LRDI is that LRDI is not just about shortcuts and tips and tricks. It's about understanding how to solve. It's about practice and calm. So even though these playlists can teach you a lot about tips and tricks and how to approach problems, but excellence or expertise will only come from a lot of practice which you have to do on your own. Now moving on to the high quality playlist for VARC. But before that, understand that VARC is different from LRDI and quants. Here, after understanding the different type of questions, it's just about reading practice and just about solving RCs. You have to get really good at effective reading, option elimination for RC questions, and understanding the logic behind verbal ability questions. There isn't much syllabus to cover, but again, I will give you resources from where you can understand for the very first time how to solve problems, and then maybe solve problems along with the playlist. For structured learning, playlists by Jijo sir and Shabana ma'am are considered the go-to material for VRC. Coming to the playlist, iQuanta has this playlist where there are 100 passages solved by Shabana ma'am, very high quality explainers that you can pause and solve along with it. Then there is this VRC playlist by CrackU, and then another one by Jijo sir. Like I said, some of the people consider the Jijo sir's VRC playlist as the ultimate go-to playlist. Then there's one by MBA Pathshala. Unacademy's VRC playlist is also considered very good. It has a lot of strategy explained, concepts explained, plus a lot of past year question papers solved with detailed explanation. Then I found this not so common VRC playlist by Verbal Mentors. This has separate videos for RC and verbal ability and practice. Finally, we have this VRC playlist by StudyBuzz. Again, good for understanding concepts as well as having a lot of practice problems to solve. Now in this second section, we will cover websites from where you can practice mocks for free. But one word of caution here, even though there are many resources where you can give 1 or 2 mocks for free, and if you combine these 7-8 different websites and everywhere you give 1-2 mocks each, you would have covered good number of mocks. But that is not the same as taking one mock class and then going all in, because the quality and the difficulty level of all these different mocks could be very different. You will have no idea how to anchor yourself. If your scores are fluctuating, then you will even not have any idea if you are degrading, you are improving, or just that the 2 different mocks that you give from 2 separate websites are like completely different. So even though I'm sharing resources from where you can give mocks for free, I will recommend that if you can afford it, please get 1 mock test series if you're seriously preparing for CAT. Now the first website where you can give free mocks is iQuanta. It has 1 free mock and a lot of mini mocks. This website also has a lot of daily targets that you can solve daily, and you will get detailed answer solution videos for each question. Then there is 1 full-length mock and 3 sectional mocks available on Rodha's website as well, and each mocks comes with detailed video solutions. Then there is the CrackU website, which has 3 free mocks. The Inside IIM website also has multiple free mocks along with sectional tests for each section. They keep bringing on new tests regularly. And this is one resource which can be really helpful if you are absolutely sure that you do not want to buy any mock test. Then there's this one website called Hit Bullseye that also has a few free mocks. Then there's this website called Top Rankers, which again has a few free mocks. Then there's this Career Launcher website, which has some free mocks. And finally, Preparu, which has 1 full-length free mock, and that full-length mock can also be taken as 3 sectional mocks. Now, one thing that usually students forget is that closer to CAT, the official CAT website, which is iamcat.ac.in, they also release 1 mock test, and it's very helpful to go and solve that mock, not just for the difficulty level of the problems, but to get used to the interface. When you practice a mock on the exact same interface in which you will be giving the final exam, you get used to the timer, to the color combination, to the layout, how you will navigate the website. So it will be very helpful, and please don't miss this. Now let's come to section 3, where I'll give you websites from where you can practice all the past year question papers of CAT. Now, even though CAT is known for not repeating any questions, but these past year question papers are the closest cheat code that you have to a real CAT question paper. So make sure that you solve enough past year question papers either as full-length mocks or chapter-wise. So for example, if you cover arithmetic, and then make sure that you've covered all the past year question papers of arithmetic so that you understand what is the kind of questions you can expect from that topic. So the first website where you can cover all past year question papers is iQuanta. The good part about this is that the past year questions are divided both by year as well as by concepts and topics. So you can either take them as full papers or as sectional mocks or divided by chapters. Next is 2IIM's past year question papers. Here the interface is very simple and clean, and you can refer to it for all past year CAT question papers. Next, CrackU's website also has all the CAT past year question papers. It has past year question papers from 1990 onwards, though you don't need so many of them, but it's good if you can just skim through if you have the time. Next is CAT past year question papers by Bodhi Tree. It again goes all the way to 1990s, and you decide how much back you want to go. And for Preparu, again, the interface felt very clean and distractionless. Now coming to section 4, which is free resources and study material for VRC, practice material for reading, as well as practice for RCs. So the first and foremost is RC 99. The difficulty level is not very high, but it can be the very first starting resource that you use for VRC. Then there is 100 Hard GMAT RCs. This is of the level of GMAT, which is slightly easier than CAT, but again, a very good practice resource. Then we have Aeon Essays. This is of almost the same difficulty level or slightly higher difficulty level than CAT, but it is the single most recommended resource for CAT VRC practice. It has long form essays on all different types of topics ranging from technology, AI, philosophy, medicine, everything. So it's good for covering diverse types of topics for RCs. Next, I wanted to recommend the iQuanta app. On their app, they have a lot of speed reading tools from where you can read all types of genres. Plus, on this app, you can move on to higher difficulty based on the words per minute that you read. So this resource can very much help you in increasing your reading speed and see your progression. The next is the 2IIM curated reading list, which has 1,000+ articles. It's all handpicked and built by the 2IIM faculty, and they try their best to mirror the kind of reading comprehensions that you get in CAT. Make sure that you bookmark all these reading resources and go to them whenever you don't feel like studying but just want to revise your reading. Next, I wanted to point out some CAT communities because I know that preparing for CAT can get lonely, can get anxious, and in this time it can be very helpful to interact with people who are going through the same thing, or with mentors who have gone through this themselves, or just faculty who can guide you in the right direction. So the first is this Telegram community called Theomi. It is built by past IIM students and they actively try to answer questions of CAT aspirants. They also try to take mocks. So get yourself added in the Theomi group. Next is this Reddit page r/catprep, which can be very good because there are a lot of people discussing things about CAT notifications, preparation, students who have already cracked IIMs, giving their advice that work for them. But the only caveat is that since it's anonymous, you cannot trust everything that you read because people are known to spread rumors or things that are not necessarily true, but sometimes you can also find genuine advice. Next is the iQuanta CAT preparation app. This is one of the most active CAT preparation communities online that I've come across. It has free 24/7 doubt solving support. Plus, on this app, you also get a lot of reading editorials, as I was explaining. You can read editorials, give topic wise tests. There is also this quiz builder on their app, where you can select the number of questions you want to solve, the topic you want to solve, and the difficulty level. So do check out this free app. Next, we come to the Inside IIM community. On their website, they have a lot of articles, past year toppers, testimonials, interview, GDPI preparation strategy, and a lot of things that can be very useful for anyone preparing for CAT. Next is the CrackU CAT preparation group. They also have a WhatsApp group as well as a Telegram group where they share a lot of study plans, PDFs, and a lot of resources that could be helpful for you. Okay, so I've covered all the resources that I had to cover in this video. I know it got very, very long. And if you're someone who will be self-preparing, then this material that I just covered is worth lakhs of rupees. And you can get everything for free. So the only thing standing between you and the 99th percentile is how well you use these resources. It's not money, it's not any coaching, it's just your discipline and your efforts. I keep repeating that in this CAT preparation journey, consistency is much more important than intensity. Make sure that you study daily, be it either one section or all 3 sections, a minimum given number of quant questions daily, at least 1 to 2 RCs daily, and at least 1 LRDI problem daily. The free resources exist, the community exists, the websites exist. You just need to go and use them. As I mentioned before, I've added the Google document with all the necessary links. Make sure to go and use them and share it with people who can find this helpful. That's all I had for you in this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and add in your questions in the comments, and I'll try my best to have them answered. Till then, bye-bye and all the very best.